Welcome to today's review on Samsung 6.3 CU Foot Smart Freestanding Electric Range. Introducing a smooth and detailed walkthrough of features, performance, and modern kitchen convenience. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this electric range at the best price in the market. The stainless steel finish not only enhances durability but also adds a premium aesthetic to your kitchen space, making it a centerpiece appliance that complements various interior styles. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity and voice control support, you can easily monitor and adjust oven settings from anywhere using your smartphone or compatible smart assistants, making multitasking in the kitchen much more convenient. The air fry feature allows you to enjoy crispy fried foods with little to no oil, promoting healthier cooking habits without sacrificing taste or texture while eliminating the need for a separate appliance. Additionally, the no preheating function saves valuable time by allowing you to start cooking immediately, which is especially useful for busy schedules and quick meal preparations. The convection system ensures even heat distribution throughout the oven cavity, resulting in consistent baking, roasting, and broiling results that improve overall cooking quality for both beginners and experienced users. Its large 6.3 cubic feet capacity provides ample space for preparing multiple dishes simultaneously, making it ideal for family meals, gatherings, and special occasions where efficiency is important. The ergonomic knobs are designed for comfortable grip and precise temperature control, giving you confidence when adjusting heat levels during cooking while maintaining a user-friendly interface. In terms of performance, this electric range balances power efficiency and smart functionality, making it suitable for a wide range of cooking styles, from baking cakes to roasting meats and preparing everyday meals. The stainless steel surface is easy to clean, resistant to fingerprints, and maintains its shine over time, contributing to long-term durability and low maintenance requirements. Smart integration with Alexa, Bixby, and Google Assistant allows hands-free control, making it easier to manage cooking tasks while focusing on other responsibilities around the home. This feature-rich appliance is built with user convenience in mind, offering intuitive controls, reliable heating performance, and smart connectivity that enhances the overall cooking experience. While the product excels in many areas, some users may notice a learning curve when first using smart features. However, once familiar, it becomes highly intuitive and efficient. The oven also performs well in maintaining consistent temperatures, which is crucial for achieving reliable cooking results, especially in baking where precision matters significantly. Energy efficiency is another highlight, as the unit is designed to optimize power usage while still delivering strong heating performance, making it a practical choice for everyday cooking needs. Overall, this Samsung electric range combines modern design, smart technology, and powerful cooking capabilities into one reliable kitchen solution that fits both small and large households effectively. It delivers convenience, flexibility, and performance in a single appliance, reducing the need for multiple cooking tools and saving valuable kitchen space for users who value efficiency and modern home cooking solutions. The design ensures safety, ease of use, and long-lasting reliability, making it a dependable choice for daily meal preparation and family cooking environments. With all these features combined, it stands out as a strong contender in the electric range category, offering value, performance, and convenience for modern kitchens everywhere.